Today we're taking a look at the Fiido Air, a carbon fiber e-bike that's one of the most affordable electric bikes in its class. In this video we'll cover the basics as well as potential drawbacks and what to consider before purchasing. Full specs, geometry, and pricing are in this video's description. Now let's get to it. The Fiido Air is designed with a premium carbon fiber frame, offering exceptional strength while remaining incredibly lightweight. Available in medium, large, and extra-large frame sizes. The large weighs in at just 30 pounds. Light enough to carry inside or upstairs if needed. Equipped with a 250-watt motor and torque sensor that offers 3 levels of power assist. The Gates carbon drive belt is maintenance-free and virtually silent while riding. The 36-volt, 7-amp-hour battery provides up to 40 miles of range on a single charge, while the 27.5-inch Kenda tires offer stability and comfort. Shimano hydraulic disc brakes ensure powerful stopping power. The Velo full-fit saddle delivers superior comfort for long rides, and an external onboard hex wrench saves on storage space. Fiido offers many optional accessories including a fender kit, a range extender battery, and a mate watch to name a few. Riding the Fiido Air is an impressive experience. The motor delivers a smooth and powerful boost, making long distances feel effortless. The lightweight carbon fiber frame enhances handling and maneuverability, making every ride enjoyable. The Fiido Air is a great choice for urban riders, but there's a few things to consider before purchasing. While its 250-watt motor is ideal for city commuting, if you're looking for an e-bike for rough terrain or off-road adventures, this is not it. The absence of a rear cassette with multiple gears limits the ability to climb steep or long hills with this e-bike. The range of 37 to 40 miles is sufficient for most daily rides but may not meet everyone's needs. The option to add an extra battery extends its versatility but at an additional cost. Overall, the Fiido Air carbon fiber e-bike offers riders exceptional value. It combines style, performance, and practicality without compromising on quality. For full specs, geometry, and pricing, check out this video's description. And as always, thanks for watching.